Hello and welcome back to the farm. Today it's super hot. I feel like the last few videos we've had at the farm, it's just been rainy previously, so everything was muddy. It's very hot right now. It's 86 degrees, so for me, that's sweltering, but we are surviving. Are we thriving? Let's find out. Look who it is, it's Lucky Smith. Lucky Smith. Hi, Lucky Smith. Oh, Lucky Smith. He is in love with my mother. Speaking of, her garden is thriving, so let's check it out. I think last time we were here, we were just planting this, so it's fresh. Now, full squash. Isn't that incredible? Good job, Mother. Also, a full-on pumpkin patch. Look at that, just in time for Halloween. More squash. And sugar cane. Where's the sugar cane?
Right here, this tall stuff.
That? Is it edible?
It's not ready yet.
Oh, new sugar addiction source incoming. Nice. All right, she said that I could pick this humongous pumpkin. It's the biggest pumpkin in the patch currently. I could pick it and go give it to the pigs, so that's what I'm gonna do. The biggest pumpkin in the patch. Had to come back for it. Look at this little baby silky we found along the way. Let's see if we can snatch it. Oh my gosh, another one! What the frick? Double baby silkies. And another mini rooster! Where are they coming from? Oh, I missed. That's the thing with chickens. Sometimes you only got one shot. Maybe I can get two, though. They're too smart for me. All right, here we go. These are my favorite guys ever. I love pigs. They're pretty scary, though. Okay, I'm gonna try to throw this really far so I don't hit any of them. Kobe. There they are, feasting ravenously. Look at those ones. Whoa, whoa. That one right there is new. She's pretty cool though. We have a good variety in there. We got some Kuni Juliana, some curly hair hogs, some regular hogs, but whoa! Whoa. Most of them are the Kuni Julianas, so that's what kind my pig is. Speaking of which, let's go see him. Ah! They freaked out Pookie. Pookie! Come here, Pooh. Come here, Pookie. Apollo. Oh man, it didn't explode. Oh man. What a good boy. Now, if you're wondering why Pookie is not in the larger arena with all the other pigs, it's because pigs have a very hierarchical system in which there is a leader of the pack. However, Pookie lives with me, and I am his leader. Therefore, if he interacts with other pigs, they are going to begin to assert dominance over him to show him his place in the hierarchical system. He will be at the bottom, as Pookie has no pig social skills. So to prevent Pookie from getting his butt whooped, he stays by himself, which, you know, to be honest, I think he prefers. I'm not sure how much he cares about other pigs. The 2 other times he interacted with them, he was friendly, you know. He was trying to introduce himself and they whooped his butt. So I'm not sure that life is for Pookie right now. Hi, Dookie Pig, hi. All right, the next task of the day is starting this quad. My mom said she doesn't know how to start it, so I said maybe I could. Let's see if it's the same as a motorcycle. I don't think this is the key. All right, mission failed, guys. Wah, wah. What we got from the church today? A frick ton of mangoes. So these are gonna go to the animals. However, okay, that one looks kind of gnarly. They're all pretty much perfectly fine mangoes, so I'm gonna eat some of these because these are like 4 for $5. Literally sitting on a gold mine right now. Okay, I ate the skin that time because I thought you could eat it, but it was really bitter. Hi. Hi. Yes. Farm dog. Farm dog. Whoa. Farm dog. Farm dog. Here's the second location of pigs. And the boar. Papa Pig. Papa Pig. Here he comes. Look at the tusks. Look at the tusks on that guy. Enjoying themselves. Organic mango for organic pigs. They're loving it. I don't know who this big mama is, but 1, she's pregnant for sure. 2, she's big as frick. She's bigger than the boar. Go big mama. I'm going to sit here and enjoy another mango with the pigs. All right, my camera says it has 0 storage left, so I don't even know how it's still recording. But before it dies on me, I gotta show you guys one last critter. Baby emu. 2 baby emus.
What the hell?
Baby emus.